Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. You are welcome to HR Dejo & Co. You are welcome to our law firm. There is this trending issue, especially concerning international politics, the bridge between international politics and domestic laws. There is this issue in South Africa, especially on land reforms in South Africa, where the white landowners in South Africa, some white landowners, let me not generalize, some white landowners in South Africa have expressed serious concern that the government of South Africa is expropriating their land without compensation. And during the White House visit with President Ramaphosa, President Trump berated the president of South Africa in the White House that they were taking the South African government was taking away the land belonging to the whites without compensation in South Africa. Now, if we look at it under international law, this is the problem of South Africa. This is the problem of the people of South Africa. Does President of the United States or any other president at all in the entire world or in any other country, whether sharing boundary with South Africa, in other country, have such rights to be directly involved in the administration and governance of a sovereign state, which South Africa is? A sovereign state with boundary, with clearly defined boundary, with a clearly defined structure and governance? I think the answer is no. The Land Reform Act of South Africa is a matter clearly for South Africans, clearly for the people of South Africa, clearly within the legal framework, and clearly within the administrative convenience, the legislative convenience, and the judicial convenience of South Africans. The President of the United States has no rights to berate the government of South Africa in official capacity or whatsoever as to how lands in South Africa is expropriated. That is left for the legislation of South Africa. That is left for the judiciary of South Africa. It is not a matter to be interfered by another sovereign nation. That is what politics is taking too far. Thank you. Like, follow, and subscribe our channel.